Have you ever had that issue where you've found that your website isn't secure even though you've set up an SSL certificate like Let's Encrypt? Then you've checked out the console and the developer tools and noticed a warning about mixed content where the site requested an insecure image or file. This is actually quite a common issue with WordPress, and it happens as you add things like image files into your media folder on your actual WordPress dashboard. It's fortunately got quite a quick and easy way of fixing it. I'm going to do this by going to plugins here and add new. There's a plugin here called Better Search and Replace. This is the one that I've installed, and then once you've installed it and activated it, actually appears here in your tools. You see right here at the bottom, I click on Better Search and Replace, and then to resolve the issue, all we're going to do is we're going to change all of the files addresses in the database from HTTP to HTTPS. So I'm going to do this like so here. I'm going to put HTTP and then the :// I'm going to replace that with HTTPS : // I'm going to select all of the databases just to run through here. Now I can do this as a dry run and click search and replace just to see how many files actually are loaded not secure. Let's check that out. As we can see there, the dry runs picked up 69 tables searched, 17 cells found that need to be updated. None of them made because I did a dry run this first time. So I'm going to do that same thing again. This time I'm going to turn the dry run off and I'm just going to replace all of the information that I want. There we go, all the cells have been updated. Now if I go back to my website, I should find here, ta-da, secure, easy.